So we've given away the R32 GTR, we've done the R33 GTR, we threw in a Toyota Supra in there, but that leads us to the R34 GTT. So we couldn't afford the GTR, we got the next best thing. That's the turbo manual GTR kitted coupe in the metallic salver that'll make Paul Walker proud. Let's cut to some rolling shots. We're back. By now you probably noticed we're sitting pretty again on those genuine 3-piece Workmeister wheels with that black anodized lip and of course that actual Keep It Reet fitment. Hanger perfect. The rear end, we've got that full Kakimoto exhaust with the Greddy burnt titanium tap. Interior, I hate it because it's too clean and there's nothing to say about it. What we got under the bonnet, the RB25 DET Neo, the latest version of the RB25 with a single turbocharger and a Apexi Pod Filter and a Blitz return flow intercooler, and she packs a punch. So it's time to make this R34 yours. No more cap double entries, it's now only for 1 week. So if you want to get your best chances, head yourself to keepreet.com right now.